ये देखो ऐसे फर्स्ट फ्लाइट इन न्यूयॉर्क. Behind me is New York City and my hands are frozen. They're all red. Let's fly the drone. When I was in New York, there's a reason why I wasn't talking to the camera much. I was just walking around, shooting buildings, walking down the streets, capturing people, and flying the drone. And the reason why I was doing it, I'll just tell you. Can you see this fan? Almost seems like a drone flying over my head, right? Hey Casey, big fan from India, right outside. 368. Just wanted to say hi and wish you all the best for your next project, I guess. I want to see you. Take care. Are you here, by the way? Worth a try. All the best. I kid you not, go to New York City and walk on Times Square at night and you will just be blown away. You'll end up shooting everything and everywhere you see. You'll just not feel like talking to anyone. And now I'm feeling stuck what to put in the video and what to edit out. Of course, I want to just show you everything, but at the same time, I don't want to make the video boring. The answer to which is some more drone shots. Okay, the reason why I was not talking to the camera is this. It was so cold, I just couldn't handle it. I have not been in so much cold in my entire life. The news said that temperature is -2, feeling like -10. I froze. Hi, what's up? I'm at Central Park in New York and my hands are all frozen. I can't feel my fingers. Yeah, but it's fun. Hello.